Shoutout Lava, ayan, coffee, Jerome, shoutout, and aga na ubos paninda namin. Oo, paano ba naman, tag-ulan, no? Basta tag-ulan talaga, sarap mag-barbecue. Ayan, shoutout.
Sinks deep into the skin and works to reduce the look of dark spot. Try the Olay Luminous Niacinamide plus Vitamin C combo.
Alright, coming up next, a very nice and country music, Footloose. Ayan, it's time to do our Footloose. Shout out to everyone. Ayan, welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. And of course, we are live simultaneously to our YouTube channel, Mix Derulo, ang ating YouTube channel, if you want to check it out. Been working so hard, I'm punching my car. It hurts for war. Oh, tell me what I got. I got this feeling that this time holding me down. I'll hit the ceiling, or else I tear out this town. Tonight I gotta go loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up from my knees. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose your blues, and everybody cut loose. You're playing so cool, obeying every rule. You can wake down in your heart, your burden and yearning for somebody to tell you that life ain't passing you by. I'm trying to tell you, it's the world if you don't even try. You can fly if you want to lose. Kick off the Sunday shoes. Oui, Marie, shake it for me. No, no, come on, let's go. Lose your blues, and everybody cut loose. You got to turn me around and put your feet on the ground. I'll take hold of your soul. And I'm telling you, loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up from my knees. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose your blues, and everybody loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up from my knees. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose your blues. Everybody cut, everybody cut, everybody cut, everybody cut, everybody cut, everybody cut, everybody cut. Ooh, yeah. Woo! O, diba? Nagka-footloose tayo dyan, ha? O, ayan, shout out. Kilos, galaw-galaw. Iwas stroke. Shout out, magandang gabi.